Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into some new and trending quests on Layer 3. We have Magic Eden first up, and they do plan on having an airdrop soon. I know it's a long time coming. I don't know how good of an airdrop it'll be, but they do have one. Next up is Bedrock. Looks like a liquid restaking solution on Zeta Chain and exploring BitLayer. So the first Bitcoin security equivalent Layer 2. And yeah, so before we actually get started in this short and quick campaign or video, please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think will be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like rewards from not just Layer 3 with their staking campaigns and reward mechanisms built in, but also in some of these ecosystems like Magic Eden, where it's an NFT marketplace and you can collect these, I think they have jewels that will translate into their token. And I don't know if Bedrock will have anything, but by completing quests and campaigns on Layer 3 will indirectly allow you to qualify for other airdrops. I've gotten airdrops from other projects that I didn't really know anything about, but just by participating in Layer 3 campaigns, I was eligible for other airdrops. So keep that in mind. If you do have any questions, comments, need any help, we have a Discord. A lot of cool shit going on. A lot of cool shit under here. You can't really see it right now. Let me move this out of the way. So you got the active test nets and stuff. Got a lot of cool stuff. Thank you to everyone putting in your time and effort and building this out. If you do find yourself stuck in the Discord and you only have a few channels, go to the rules and guidelines and click the little box right here and you will have access. So thank you everyone in there. And those of you who are new, welcome. I appreciate you all so much, and let's get into it. So Magic Eden Rewards is a comprehensive cross-chain rewards program designed to enhance the experience for NFT collectors, traders, and creators. It encourages engagement across multiple blockchain ecosystems, including Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Polygon. Yeah, diamonds. Okay, it's a gem. So mint NFT on base. You can go, you don't have to mint one, but if you want to check out Magic Eden, I've used it quite a bit on Solana. That's really about it. Nowhere else. And you can check your ME rewards. Magic Eden's not one that I've been trying to farm a whole lot of. So next up, Bedrock is a multi-asset liquid restaking protocol backed by a non-custodial solution built on Babylon and EigenLayer. Speaking of EigenLayer, they have their claims opening up soon. So hold any amount of Bitcoin on the Zeta Chain network. If you don't have any, you can swap some on Izumi. There you go. You can come here, swap, go to Zeta, and you can swap for Bitcoin, and you just need a little bit, and then we can restake any amount on Bedrock. Unstaking will be available at a later stage, so you can't unstake right now. So if you want to, come here, connect, deposit whatever amount is in there, and oh, it looks like there's a cap. Okay, so it looks like they've reached their cap. So if that opens up, you can restake it there. So bada boom, bada bing, Bedrock, done. And I don't know if you've done the Babylon testnet or mainnet stuff. I was not able to get testnet tokens for Babylon before they launched. So, all right, last up, BitLayer. The first Bitcoin security equivalent Layer 2 based on BitVM paradigm. Oh, it looks like this campaign will have first 500 participants. Oh, $10 worth of BTR each. Okay, well, we did not do this, so that's okay. So bridge Bitcoin to BitLayer mainnet from either Ethereum or BNB chain. So this has to be at least $5 worth of stables. Using Flash Bridge, you can use your USDT to complete the order. So let's see, I don't have much on BNB chain. Okay, I have $10 in BNB chain, BNB. So let's see, MetaMask. Oh, looks like we might have to use a different wallet. Yeah, it doesn't look like I can use my Rabby wallet here. So what we're gonna do, I'll have to, other EVM chains, Flash Bridge, so other EVM chains. Let's see, let's try Orbiter. Oh, and I don't think I have my Unisat wallet on here. Okay, BNB, let's check it out. BNB chain to BitLayer right here. So BNB chain, let's see if we can swap to some Bitcoin on here. We do not. Okay, so Trader Joe, Oh, well, that's interesting. So they don't have Trader Joe used to be on Binance Smart Chain, but I guess not anymore. So that's an interesting one to go to the swaps. Okay, so BNB chain. Oh, it's not connected to our wallet. It showed as connected. Sometimes you got some funky stuff going on, but there we go. Now we'll just switch to USDT. BNB chain. Oh, this is OP BNB. I see. I see. I see now. So what we need to do, I need to bridge some OPBNB. So what I need to do, ZK bridge. So I need to bridge from OPBNB back to BNB. So since I don't have the right funds on the BNB network, we're gonna go here. Okay, let's actually reject that to send a little bit more over. All right. I don't know what the fee will be to bridge this into BitLayer. Now that we have our funds, let's swap some of this. Did we get our tokens yet? BNB chain, not yet. So let's check. We'll go here, BNB chain, BitLayer. Still nothing on the BNB chain. I think it said it did say about 3 minutes. I'm just gonna, oh, I don't have enough ETH on base. Still nothing on the bridge. Jeez, you would think this would be bridged over by now. All right, so I'm trying to figure out what the deal is with this bridge. I'm still waiting for this to arrive. So we have to use Flash Bridge, and you have to have at least $5 worth of USDT in order to do transfer. So this is the Flash Bridge, and I can't connect my wallet here, but essentially what you're gonna do is swap for USDT, however much USDT you have. Hopefully it's at least $5, but yeah, and that's crazy. So put the gas fee as low as possible because that's thousands of dollars, 0.01. Oh, hundreds, sorry, hundreds. So come down here, select this gas fee, and what you're gonna do is once you swap for USDT, come here to BitLayer, make sure from USDT to Bitcoin, you're gonna connect your MetaMask, and then your recipient address, you're gonna put the wallet that you're connected to, or that's connected. This is my wallet address. That's where I want it to go, so I'll put this in here. Once you connect your wallet, you can put that right in here and bridge over, and you will unlock this. So I am not able to do this right now, but hopefully we can get this going soon. But only active transactions will count. And don't forget, it's $5 worth, but come and complete these other ones. Pretty easy. I need some Ethereum on here, but most of these we've done. We have more coming sometime, but yeah, try and get as many of these completed, and you will be in a good position for airdrops from other projects. And yeah, hopefully I can get this thing working soon, so fingers crossed. But until then, I appreciate you all so much. If you have any questions, comments, need any help, remember we have a Discord. Jump in the Discord. Yeah, Discord. Woo. And we will get you the help you need. But I appreciate you all so much. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.